So I washed my car yesterday, and then this morning I looked and both of my taillights were out and my turn signal light back here. And I noticed that this is very full of water right here. So I'm gonna try to get this taillight out.
A few moments later.
So to get the taillight assembly out, the first thing I have to do is remove a bunch of these that hold the carpet up. The easiest way to do that is just use this rivet removal tool set. Just pulls it right out. And then from there, you're gonna have nine of these 10mm nuts to get off. So you'll have 2 on the outside here, then you have two more here, so that's 4. And then you have 1 actually in the center here, so that's right in the middle. And then you have another 2 in here, right? This one and this one. You don't need to do these are just for the lock to the trunk. And then 2 more out there. From there, I just unclipped these and took the whole assembly off, which I was able to bring over here. Caused one of the bulbs here to actually burst. This was basically fully in water before, and it made my turn signal go out and everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drill a couple holes. I'm gonna put one, I think, right here. I think I'm gonna have to do one here and then some in this bottom frame to make sure that water can drain out. And that should be fine because it should be able to drain right through this dust seal at the bottom. It's gonna be below the water seal, so that part will be fine. And that should work. And as I said before, this bulb exploded. And I believe all of this should work, the 3057 as the replacement. I had bought these 2 just in case, but I think these are only in the front, maybe. The very different harnesses there. But yeah, I'm gonna drill these 2 holes and see if the water stays up. All right, so I was just gonna try to drill 2 holes back here to get some of the water out. I was gonna put more drains in the bottom too, but it looks like I still have quite a bit of water in here, so I think I'm just gonna have to take my smallest bit and just try to put a hole there, and hopefully it'll drain out that way. All right, yeah, so I just drilled 2 little 1/16 holes here. It's really not that noticeable, but I tilted it upside down and some of the water was coming out there, so hopefully that'll keep it from flooding, you know, all the way up to where the bulbs were, and hopefully I don't have any more burnouts due to water. Here's a picture of the lights just so you can see which is which and how they're wired. And I didn't have to, but I ended up replacing the backup lights with LEDs. It was $15 off Amazon for the sockets and the bulbs. And then this is a picture of when I was testing it. Obviously you can see the LEDs on the left and it looks a lot better. So that makes me definitely want to do the headlights at some point too. And this is just a picture of how funny the car looks without that rear taillight section. But yeah, it's been a couple months since I replaced that and drilled those holes, and it's been working fine. Thanks for watching.